So I'll be showing you how to allow all the members of a WhatsApp group to send messages to the group. So go to the group on WhatsApp and then tap on the group name at the top. That opens the group info page. Now, if you're the admin of a group, then you should see the option for group settings. So tap on that, and then you should see the option where participants can, and this is a list of everything the participants can do. Now, send messages, if it's disabled or turned off, it means regular participants or members of the group cannot send messages to the group. So what you need to do is turn that feature on. And now when you go back to the group, now members of the WhatsApp group, all the members, or rather all the participants, can send messages to the group. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.